In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your very own tassel keyring just like this one. You will need a pair of scissors, some cord and some coloured threads like these. First of all, I started with 6 lengths of 30 centimetres of the cord. So here I'm just measuring them out and then I'm going to trim them to make sure they're all the same length. And then I'm going to find the centre point because this is where we want to start. Then you're going to grab your first colour thread, reel off at quite a long length, and you're going to lay the thread alongside the cord and then loop it back up, leaving yourself a loop at the bottom. You're going to start with your thumb on the end of the cord. You're going to start twisting the thread around the cord like so. You want to hold it nice and tight. Try and get a nice even wrap around so you can't see any cord through the pink thread. You want to do this for about 1 centimetre to 2 centimetres, depending on how thick you want each section. And then when you're finished with each colour section, you're going to snip it off, you're going to loop the other end through the loop and pull that top end that you left out, pulling it nice and tight, and that will secure that wrap around for you, like so. Next, grab your other colour, reel off another length of thread. It doesn't really matter how much thread you use, and you're going to do the same thing, creating a little loop, keeping your top thumb on the end of the cord. Make sure you don't let go of the loop. Again, keeping it nice and tight as you twist it around the cord. When you're done, snip off the excess, poke that end through the loop, you're going to repeat that with your third colour on the other side, and then just snip off any extra loose threads to neaten it up. When you're done with all 3 colours, you need to get a keyring. You can use any old keyring that you have lying around, and you're going to fold it through and position the keyring at the centre point. This is where it gets a little tricky. You need to start off by holding the arch together. You're going to start the same way again by holding the top end and creating a loop down. Then you're going to twist round nice and tight. And then you're going to repeat exactly the same way with 2 more colours. And then you have your very own tassel keyring. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to tag us if you do try it out.